All right, so welcome back. Now it is time to talk about time and language. In this section, we can manage speech, region, and date. So let's see in how we can manage it. The first option is really for date and time. We have many options for managing it. Number one is set time automatically. So whenever you have internet connection, so it automatically set the time for you. We have time zone too, and you can choose that. But you have the manually time too. So whenever you disable that, so you can manage that through manually. It means you can set the time through your brain. It doesn't need it don't need internet connection. So I'm gonna go automatic right now, and you can sign it the time now too. We have time zone, and we have additional calendar in the taskbar. So whenever you click on the notification area, so you have the time. Sorry, I don't have my time right now. So whenever you really just click on the clock, and you can have extra calendar like simplified Chinese or traditional one. We have a lot of options in here like related settings, date, time, and region formatting. So you can click and you can see that. So this is the region really. It's not a new option. So you can say your region is United States or somewhere else. And regional formats, I really choose United States, and because it's really good for me. And down in here we have language, and we can manage any language we wanted to. For now, I have two type of keyboards, English and Persian. I can add a preferred language using here, and I can just click here, and I can say next, and then it'll automatically install it. If not, so it'll still really add for you in here. And as well, you can remove it or manage it or arrange it. And we can say Windows feature like settings and file explorer while appear in this language, so you can manage that. And every language is really every application now is in English, so I don't have any else right now. And finally, we have a speech that you can manage of that and recognize non-native accents for this language if you wanted to, and speech languages or microphone. And we have everything in here, voice speed, and so much more about speech. And still, we have one option in here, add clocks for different time zones. So click in here, you will have a big setting, date and time. You can see now in here, you can change the time zone, and you can change the date and time manually. And we have additional clocks. If you wanted to enable that, just check mark that and choose the time zone and name that, and you'll have in your clock section. Finally, we have the internet time. We can sign it that, but for now I don't need it. So that was really for the time and language.